Breakfast of champs.
Alright, y'all. Had donuts, holes right now. Coffee. I don't think they put Splenda in here. I said Splenda and cream, but I don't think they put Splenda. Well, I got the sweetness from the donuts. Just doing my laundry right now. It's gonna be like 30 minutes for wash and then dryer. I'm gonna eat my donuts, watch some summer shredding stuff, Christian Guzman vlogs, catch up on my YouTube videos, and we'll see what the day holds today. Leg day. Definitely gonna get a good workout today too, and then go get some good food and relax. I got 4 pieces of chicken. It was $7.96. Pre-workout meal is gonna be good. I'm gonna have 2, and then I bought microwavable rice too. So I'm gonna heat that up on campus and then walk around that for a bit afterwards and clear my head. Yeah, that's it for right now. I deleted hella space, bro, but I forget I'm recording in way higher quality, so I'm gonna run out of space quickly. I've been deleting videos and pictures from my phone, but it barely clears up space, so I need to delete more and more, so I'm gonna do shorter clips from now on. See you in the next one. Oh, what the heck? The front camera could record 18 minutes? Oh yeah, excuse me. Green apple, Mondet. I forget, like the front camera is 4K, and then this camera is like, I forget, bro, but here you go. That's the thumbnail. That right there. Making all kinds of gains. Bro, I'm gonna come here every single day for the fresh chicken. See you in the next clip, y'all. So I came to campus and just walking around, chilling out. Feels good, breezy. There's no one here. This is afternoon, so on a Monday, especially since COVID, there's not a lot of people around. So just walking around, clearing my head and getting some fresh air. I'm gonna go heat up my meal prep in a second and eat, but I'm gonna walk around for half an hour, listen to more music. Last meal for the day, gonna eat this and then have a protein shake later tonight and the protein cookie. 2 bags of rice, that's 1 pound of rice, and then chicken, that's 1 leg quarter, so drumstick and thigh. I ate the rest already, so I'm hungry as hell. Cheers. I'm gonna finish eating this, drink a whole bunch of water, and continue walking around. I was gonna sit down and relax, but I'm not really in the mood to. Just sit down, I feel like being more active and walking around some more. Okay, day 2, I'm gonna include 2 days worth of bulking meals. Hey y'all, just went to the gym, and went to the gym. Got off work, went to the chiropractor with my brother, and walking around campus. My diet has been on and off this week. 2 days good, 2 days off. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow. Gonna go to the gym and yeah, stay positive. Make today better than yesterday. So yeah, walking around campus for probably like 2 hours, and then I'm gonna go to sleep after tomorrow off. Sleep in, then go to the gym and like grocery shopping, the usual stuff. Yeah, so peace out for right now. I'm gonna include a whole weekly vlog, everything together.